Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm there. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is
Yes,
the
sir.
work field. Okay. You can write in your hand note. Okay. So so write this in your hand note. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, cost will come in three ways for the work order: labor, material, services. These are the three ways cost will come in the work order. Okay. These are the three activities done in the work order: labor work, material consumption or usage, and services. Okay, these are the three. Through these three only cost is coming in the work order. Again, this cost is classified into plan. We will discuss in costing, but just I'm telling. Again, this is classified into plan and actual. Okay, this is classified into plan and actual. Okay, plan and actual. Estimated that we'll discuss later. Okay, so you write this two line. You
Okay.
write this two line.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, you write it later, video is there. Okay, so your labor plan cost is coming from the operation work field. Okay, this is the field. From here only your plan. I think you guys know what is plan and actual. I think we discussed. Plan means the planning. What I had entered is not my original work. This is your
yeah.
planning. Okay, planning. It's not the original work. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
you can see the plan cost came. You can see the plan cost came. Right, plan
Yes,
cost
sir.
came now. Right.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
okay, so release the order. Okay, and then save it. And then save it. Okay. Now you got it. If you didn't do the practice, you are not able to give the answer. Same 90% of people failing in SAP. This is the matter. It's not that they don't know. They don't know, but they are not able to tell in a structured way. If you don't know that, you cannot crack into. Don't take me wrong. I'm telling the real fact. I'm telling the real fact. Okay. So go to the confirmation IW41. Okay. IW41. Right. So give the operation line. Okay, this is the final tick mark, final confirmation tick mark, give the actual work. This field only taken for your labor actual work during confirmation. Labor after confirmation only understand and write. What I'm telling, try to understand. Confirmation means labor or completion. When you do the confirmation only, my labor actual cost will come. Any questions on this? Are not able to understand anything? Clear on this?
No. Clear, sir.
Understand from the
Yes, sir.
business
Yeah.
perspective. Okay, so this final confirmation tick mark I already told you. Okay, this is
Okay.
give some date something. Okay. So save it. Okay. See, actual cost is getting calculated. Okay, actual cost is getting calculated. Now go to your IW32. If you go, you will get the actual cost. Okay, actual cost. Internal labor is nothing but the labor resources. Okay, actual cost you got. Okay, so this field is very, I don't know, I told, but I finished for Arvind. Okay, this field is very important, very important field. Report plan and actual. I
Yes,
think we
sir.
discussed this. I think we discussed this. This is the this is not the field to be settled. This is only, but this is not the one. Here, the last field. I told in the last class also. I told you guys to go through my Excel, I think so.
Okay.
How many went, I don't know. This field,
Yes.
only this field
Okay.
is the field to be settled. Okay, to be
Okay.
settled. This is the field to be settled. Cost is pending. This cost is nothing but this all will get added
Okay.
and will come and sit here. You got it. With respect to the cost element level. With respect to the cost element level, it will come and sit here. Here, all are material, no cost. Okay, and repair. Repair house is labor.
Okay.
Okay. So with cost element linkage, it will come and sit here. It will come and sit here. Okay. There is a T code. There is a T code.
Okay, okay.
I am also thinking to change myself like other trainers, but it is not accepting my heart. Do your work professionally. My heart is no, no. Really, I'm not joking. My heart is not accepting. Where is the cost statement? Yeah. Give your order number. This is what, right? This is the order number. Yeah. Controlling area. 2000. 2000. Execute. Yes. Okay. No, no. This one. This one. Okay. Okay. Balance is there. Okay. Balance is there to be settled. Okay. So,
Okay.
so this is the field. Yeah. Now, this is also, but this is not settled. No, this addition only coming and sitting here. Okay. It's additionally coming and sitting this. So, okay. There is something called settlement rule that we'll discuss later. Okay. This will, okay. So this is your order. T code for KOW.
Okay.
KO, what is settlement? What is settlement? Anyone can tell me?
These are all the cost of the activities we have done in this planning this work order. So
I
it will be
already told
accumulating to
not
that
on,
one.
hold on. Again, I'm telling KOW, all three. Remember, not only labor. Okay. Labor, material,
Material and
service
service, all the
together.
costs will be set.
all. Yeah.
Okay. So I already told settlement means actual cost. I had used the word. I had used the word. Actual
So
cost in the work order will be settled to finance. I had used that word. That word is very important. Like this, if you give 4 answers, you will get offer, sir. Only 4 answers. Actual cost, if you tell for KOW, you will receive offer. I'm not joking, I'm telling seriously. You told there are many fields. It's not this. Okay. Okay, KOW is actual cost in the work order is getting
yes,
settled.
sir.
That is called KOW. Okay. I told here, I had written here. So, yeah. Actual cost in the work order is getting settled. Okay. So, okay. So go to KOW. Yes, my order. Month. What is this month? Ninth month. Year 2024. Okay. First I'm checking test run whether any issues are there. Okay. There is no issues. I'll come. Don't worry. Okay. Go back. I'm removing the test run. Okay. I'm removing question. I'm executing. I'm executing. Okay. So we are did settlement for our order for this month, 9th month. Posting is just information. No need to bypass this order. Year. Okay. Date. Controlling error. No need. Just I'm touching. No need to bypass this order. And here you can see executed. Okay. If you have any error, you will get your error. In case if you have error, you will get the information here. Error is there. Okay. If you have error, right? Front itself error will throw. If it comes here also, it will throw here. Error is there. It will show here. Again, this button. Here you can still more see the details. See here. Okay. Order sent. This okay. FI will do, but even I will tell you. In the PA model, sender is always work order. This will not change. Sender is always work order. Receiver is receiver is I am speaking. Wait 1 minute. Let me finish. Then you ask your question. Receiver is many. This is a very important integration. What are the different receivers in PA model? Okay. Different receivers in PA model. We will discuss in FI. Why I am touching now? When you do go to the finance, you will not take all words are new. Okay. So that is what I'm saying. There are many reports, cost center, GL account. Okay. Cost center, GL account, asset. Okay. GL account, asset. Okay. WBS. Okay. WBS and still material. Even work order itself to another work order you can settle. Another work order itself we can settle. Work order cost can be settled to another superior order can be settled. Okay. And still are there like cost center, GL account, asset, WBS, material, work order, a network. Okay. In this you remember four. In this you remember four. This is an important introduction. Now you tell me, sir, I am telling here, you are telling, sir, how I can do my class, sir? Am I right or wrong? I am speaking in the middle, you are telling, sir.
Sorry.
I am telling something. You should wait a minute.
Sorry.
Is that right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? I am telling class, and suddenly you are
You're
telling,
right.
sir,
You're
how
right.
I will do my class
Sorry.
then?
Next time, I won't repeat.
Tell me, I will always give gap. Don't worry. Any day I am going without gap, no chance. Now tell me your question. Tell me your question, if you
So
remember.
that when you just before you shown that I will say when I was doing one order, I got a error like order settlement structure. Uh, some error came when I
Some
was
error I
doing
cannot give. Some error I cannot
my
give
system.
answer. What is the
No,
error?
no,
You
no,
should
no,
tell me.
not some error, sir. It is the error. Yeah, yeah. So the error was the structure allocation is not correct.
Correct.
Like
Correct.
settlement.
Allocation structure.
Yeah.
Correct. Allocation structure. That is FI. That I am not going to
Yes,
FI.
allocation
I am
structure.
discussing in work order only. That will discuss. Correct. Your word is correct. Allocation structure. That will discuss later, not now. Okay. That will discuss. That is PM to CO integration. Okay.
Okay,
Still,
okay,
I
okay.
am
Yes,
doing here
okay,
only.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So we had we removed the
okay, sir,
test run.
okay.
See, if you run again, right, you will get this error because now there is no cost. Now the cost is settled. So again, if you run, you will get this error. This is not. It's a message that the order is already settled and nothing is there to settle because I settle now. Are you getting my point? Are you able to understand? Are you clear of this? Are you clear of this or not?
Yes, yes,
Teja, are you clear or not? What I'm trying to
yes, sir.
tell?
So test and
No.
sorry, sir.
What is this? Are you clear on this?
Either the
It is
sender
English
is
only,
already,
nothing to explain.
sir, either the sender is already settled or the
Hmm.
things is not to settle. Okay. So sender is already settled means like from the sender side only it is settled or it is not settled.
Sender means what? Now only it was sender is work order.
Yes, sir. Sender is work
In
order.
the means, in the means, the work order is already settled. There is nothing to settle. That is what it is giving message. Okay, that is what it is giving message. You can see the cost is zero. I told this field. You can see now it is zero. And you can go and see in this report. If you refresh, there is no refresh. See this. My throat is paining. Okay. So see this. If you go back, exit again. If you execute again, if you execute, you can see this will be empty. See here, it is settled. Okay.
After it won't be showing here. Say after settlement rule.
Settled, it is showing here. Balance is zero. Balance means there is no cost to settle. There is no cost to settle. Already settled. This is the settled cost. This is the settled cost.
Okay.
It is already nothing. Balance is zero. You can see here balance was there before doing KOW. Now it is zero. In the means there is nothing to settle. It is already settled. Balance is not there to settle. There is no
Yes, sir.
money to do settlement. The cost is sent to finance.
Yes, sir.
Are you
So
clear?
you think
Actual cost. What and all? KOW, what we are discussing is only actual
Okay.
cost. Actual KOW means first you should remember the word actual cost. Very important. Actual cost, not plan cost. The original cost. Expenditure. Plan is not the original expenditure, it is a rough estimation.
Okay.
Not estimation, the rough planning. Estimation again is there, that we'll discuss later. Okay. So this is about the KOW. Again, if I want to do reverse, I can do reverse. Settlement can be done reverse. Okay. So you can see here. Really, I'm telling this level of teaching, no one we cried in Google and you don't know. Really, I learned many from Morgan, Teja. Many from Morgan,
yes,
Morgan and Ibrahim. They are my two. We are in the same. At when we are, I'm telling 2014, 15. Me, Morgan, and Ibrahim, we are 4 people. We'll go for
understood.
tea. We'll break our head on this costing. Really, we break our head on this costing. Me, Morgan, Ibrahim, and all 2014, 15, I'm telling.
Yes,
Really.
sir.
Now also my doubts, I will go sometime, Morgan. Also. So you can reverse the cost. Okay. You remove the test and okay. I'm reversing the settlement. In the means wrong settlement is done. Done. Now go to here. There is no refresh here. Refresh is not there. Okay. So go here, execute, again come inside. The balance will come. So KOW settlement can be reversed.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Settlement can be
My
removed.
throat is paining.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir.
My throat is paining. Okay, so settlement very detail I did today. Okay, settlement can be reversed and the TECO I didn't do. TECO is this step is TECO. Okay, so go to the work order, the cost will come there. Go to the work order, the cost will be there. Okay, the cost will be there. Cost is there. Okay, this is also actual cost. I'm not telling no, but this is not touched during settlement. This is will be for information purpose. Okay, this is what the field will change because this will be addition of related to cost element. Okay, now there is cost. Okay, I am doing TECO. I am doing
Yes.
TECO. Okay, TECO. This date and time is very important for the inventory that we'll discuss later. After TECO, that is the process, right? Confirmation we did, actual cost came, settlement is done, and cost is not zero. Correct, right? Actual cost is not zero. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir.
If
It's
I
not.
do
Yes,
business
sir.
loss, sir, system will not allow. Balance is not zero. Balance is not zero.
Hmm.
You cannot do the closure if actual cost
Yeah.
is pending there. System will not allow you to do because actual cost is not zero.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you clear? Very, very good class today. Class, very good class. Very wonderful class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So KOW, you guys are yes, tell me. Sir, tell me, you asked me something, sir. Tell me.
No, no, sir. Nothing. Yeah, proceed.
Okay, so work order basic steps completed, notification completed, catalog profile. Now we are going to do the shutdown process. Now we are going to do the very simple. R will do permit. First we will do shutdown process. Okay. So shutdown process is only in the work order. Okay, is only in the work order. Okay, not in the notification. Okay, we are going to create revision. Okay, we are going to create revision. Okay. So T code configuration. Okay, you guys know configuration. Okay. So go to SPRO. Okay. Very simple. Only revision from there dates will come. That's all. That's all shutdown process. Nothing. Very simple actually. Here you can see create revisions. Okay. It is just grouping your order. Okay. Group several orders. That's it. First, what is shutdown process? Teja. Teja, you tell me what is
Yes, sir.
shutdown? What is
Shutdown
shutdown
process is
process?
like a temporary, doing all. Yes, the previous classes you told like it is taking a break for doing all the maintenance.
Wrong.
Sorry.
Teja, Aravind. Aravind, you both, I'm getting confused
Sir,
here.
sir.
Arvind and Avinash. Aravind,
Sorry.
what is shutdown process? Shutdown process.
Sir, shutdown means the shutdown process. It is like we are they're shutting with the we are closing means we are the production is stopping and we are closing means we are doing the maintenance activities.
Doing
Absolutely
several
right.
orders.
We are
Annually,
doing some
normally,
equipment
now,
breakdown.
hmm.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, you're telling.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Normally, we are, sir. Yes, sir. We are doing it on urgent basis, and it is doing without. Once we are closing all the production activities, we loss
No
of production.
urgent.
So that time we are, means and we are
No, shutdown is not urgent
urgent,
basis. Who
urgent.
told shutdown is? I don't think so. Shutdown is
No, sir.
urgent
That what
process. No.
not urgent, sir. It is
Emergency breakdown only urgent process. Shutdown depends on your shutdown plan. Shutdown, I'll tell you what you told is partially correct.
plan.
Normally, any company, most of the companies, yearly once, they will stop the total plan for 10 days, 20 days, 3 days, 1 month, 2 month. Okay. No, urgent also you can tell
Okay,
because your
okay,
production stopped. I'm not telling no. Urgent also you can tell. But yeah, production is stopped. You can tell urgent. Okay. It depends. Again, that is what most of the companies, okay, for annually, mostly annually only. 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, 10 days, 20 days. Okay, they will stop. So, for example, in next year, so this year, June, my shutdown is completed. Next year, June, I have my shutdown means I will think some work to be done in the next year, June. For example, June 1 to June 2020 in 2025. So, what I will do, I will come and clear the revision. That's all. That's all here.
okay.
From this, the dates will come there. This is called revision. That's it. 2025. Okay. Shutdown for 2025. That's all. Give the date. Jan 1 to Jan, right? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
June,
So
June.
it's
Okay. June.
June.
June 1 to June 20. Okay. See, these 20 days I plan for my shutdown. This is my shutdown number ST 2025. Just to save it. That's all. Completed. Date saved. Now go to the work order. Okay. In the work order. Okay. Oh, I created for 1000. This is 3200. Okay. So I'll create, I can edit it. Leave it. We'll create new. Okay. 3200. Just save it for 3225. So if you go to the header here, see the dates. Go here. Okay. I created shutdown 2025. This is what I created now. Right? Okay. If you
Yeah,
press enter, you will get a pop-up whether revision to be copied. If you press enter, the dates will be copied from the shutdown. That's all. Why you are entering this revision? Because from here the dates are coming. So for next year, shutdown, what and all orders are there? You can group from here. This is called shutdown process. That's it. That's a shutdown process. Arvind, you got it? Oh my God, it went for a dump.
yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
This is
Uh,
what I told you. This is what I was telling. This is what the SAP given shutdown scenario. Okay,
sir, I have
tell
a
me.
concept. I'm asking. What I understand is that, sir, we are actually creating this order date for another next year. Okay, sorry, 2025. And now we can create the order like orders. Now we can
Yeah, I will
pre
forget.
in
I
prior.
will. So I will forget. So I'm creating order now itself, and I'm putting revision. Why I'm putting revision? Two things. One is through revision, I will get the date in the order. Again, from the IW38
Okay.
report. With revision, I will get my orders.
Okay.
With revision name, it is going for dump, unfortunately. Okay. Here, if you go to the revision name, there will be revision field here. Okay. If you go here, okay. If I keep empty, not equal, okay, and keep not equal to, remember, remove the dates. These dates are very important. Okay, so only orders with revision will come. Okay, so execute. This all orders will have revision. You got it? We had created two, but for different
Yeah.
plant. Okay, so if you create multiple plans with this revision, you are going to group your orders. That's all. That is the use of revision. This is the process for revision, sir. That's all. For you, Aravind, for you, what I told, instead
Yeah.
of notification, you can create this activity type
Okay.
as shutdown. That they can track right easily, because why I'm telling description anyone can change. You got it? So this
Yes.
activity type may be in
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
work order, not in the notification. In the work order. This is a very simple config. This is a very, that is the use of this activity type. The activity type uses that only.
Okay.
If you don't want to go with revision, you go with this. This is what I prefer to you. I prefer you.
Sir, okay. Activity types are the 103. Can you just check box, sir?
No, no,
What is that
no.
103?
You can create any activity type. You can create any activity type.
Okay.
It's a very simple config, because this will description people will try to create a search or something. So
Change.
this is easy way.
Change.
That's
Yes.
what I
Yes.
told you. This is easy. Activity type. You need to create here. Okay, SH you create as this year or next S24. Okay,
Okay.
shutdown S24. Okay, so shutdown
Okay.
S24 year
Okay.
2024. You give some year. Okay, save it. And you need to assign this activity type to your plans, all the plans. S24, go back. Otherwise, it will throw error. You need to assign to all your activity types, all your order types. Okay. So,
Okay. Okay.
okay, go to new entry S24. This is easy way. I prefer you. It's up to you how you want. This is the easy way for you.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, this is order. So PM01, what is your order? You can give your order, right? Yes.
Okay.
This is easy way for you. If you have access to
Sir,
configuration, this is easy way.
yeah, I have access to configuration. I will try this, sir. If it is, I think this will be better option.
No, this is easy. Instead of description, this is
Sir,
good. Tell me.
shall I ask one more now? Sir, if the
Tell me.
the period you put now, the date, the date you put, this
Good
period date,
question.
is it
Tell
can
me.
be
Tell me.
change it, change. Can we
Yes.
change it according if
Yes.
suppose the change is there?
You absolutely you can change. Absolutely you can change. There is no control on the basic start date and finish date. It is editable field, but configuration, we are did field selection. If you want, you can go to display mode, but normally they won't do display mode. It will be editable field. Good question, actually, because the date they can manually change, the revision dates will not sit there. You got my point. You understand?
Uh, okay.
Are you
Okay.
getting me? Revision dates may not sit
Sorry
because
again.
it is the editable field.
Editorial field. Okay, sir. But the start date, both the date, start date and end date, we can change it.
Both you can edit. That is the thing. Because
Okay.
We don't know whether the dates are changed or not. You got it? If you change and go, I will not come. I can see. I have the change log at all, but no one will come and see. Are you getting my point? You are able to understand. If you
Yeah,
change and go, how I know you changed it? That is one
okay.
thing. Okay, shutdown process completed. That's all shutdown. I'll send this document if you want you go through. Okay, shutdown, nothing, only the dates. That's it. Okay, shutdown you can go through. Next you will see revision. I also need to do the class, right? Isn't it
Sorry,
same? What we discussed is
what is any limitation with this one shutdown revision? Any any
nothing. Only with
yes,
that config dates will come. Nothing. Actually, there
okay.
is something
And
called turnaround, but that is
one
not
more,
shutdown. Tell me.
okay.
Tell me. One
And
more. Tell me.
sir, I have there is some components is there. We can plan some like material also assign like for that what we are using for that
Sir,
shutdown like that
all
we can
other
assign
process same, sir. You can
like
add material, you can do
same
material, you can do services, you can do labor. That handle is common for any work order process.
same. Okay,
Adding
okay. And
material,
this
labor,
components
and
also if
services
any
common
same
for any work order
same.
process. Any work order, any business process. Any business process, labor flow between flow, I told you stock and non-stock. We enter and saw. And the services also is there. The three is common
Yeah.
for any process. Corrective, preventive, shutdown, breakdown, calibration, everything it is common. Okay.
Sir, okay, sir. Let me check, sir. Then which one is feasible? I will think activity type. Both I will do it. Check it, try it, and which is easy one I will allow to them the end users.
Yeah, that is what I told. Don't create new notifications.